Hey guys, we received this Macochico Faux linen room darkening curtains for test and try. So these are for the bedrooms, light reducing, pinch plated window treatment, and you see like it looks really nice and beautiful in the window. So comes in this very nice pack. You can also gift it to somebody. And let me just take this up. Is a zipper bag, so you can also store it back if you want to. So this one comes in different sizes, so you can choose, and it's a pinch plate header, so that's good. And you can see like comes in a really nice heavy duty and heavy fabric curtains. So very nice premium feel with the heavy curtain thing. And see like the stitching and then durability is really good. Very nice stitching, professional. I will say like it is much more professional and the thicker curtains that usually I see and try. And with the pinch plated, you can see on the top that looks really good and gives a very nice premium look. So you can use the clips and you can also use the other things. So the clips you can get on your own or just put it there. Also the rings you can get and then you can just put it in the clips to put it. So after that putting like setting this, you can see this looks really very nice. This is a sheer semi-sheer curtain, so the light will pass through, but still you cannot see or people can see inside. So privacy is still secure. Very smooth, movement with the rings, and from the sides also you see like the quality wise, this looks really good as well. So with the pinch, this gives a really nice look, and the linen type, um, uh, the design, but it's a fox linen. And then quality wise, I don't see any issue with it. And of course, this looks really nice on the windows. So very nice curtains.